The AC and DC channel system mainly includes power electronics part experiment, electrical and electronic part test, electric drive part test, power control module. AC and DC channel system. The power electronics part consists of diodes, thyristor, DSP control system, IGBT module. Bridge rectifier circuit can be completed by diode MOSFET tube, thyristor, and so on. Three-phase controllable rectifier circuit, three-phase uncontrollable rectifier circuit, and other tests. Through IGBT and DSP modules can be complete inverter circuit test. Through DC 24-volt GTO and other components can complete DC voltage control experiment such as setup and setdown. Electrical and electronic parts can be complete Kirchhoff law, superposition law, control source and other experiment. The control test of fluorescent lamp and incandescent lamp can be completed through the DC part. Through time relay, thermal relay, AC contactor, switch, and so on can complete the motor drag part of the experiment. The power control part includes setup transformer and set-down transformer, DC adjustable voltage source, DC adjustable current source provide power of the entire system. Let's take the start and stop experiment of single-phase capacitor motor as an example for experiment. When the SB1 button is pressed, the motor starts. When the SB2 button is pressed, the motor stops.